Hello and welcome to this traditional hypnotherapy session for developing critical thinking skills. Critical thinking is a vital skill that allows us to evaluate information, solve problems, and make decisions with clarity and confidence. In our increasingly complex world, the ability to think critically not only helps us navigate through the vast array of information we encounter daily, but also enables us to understand ourselves and others more deeply. Developing critical thinking skills involves learning to question assumptions, analyze situations objectively, and approach challenges with a rational, open mind. As you engage in this process, you empower yourself to see beyond the surface, uncovering the truth in any situation and making informed choices that lead to more effective outcomes in your life. Before we begin, please ensure that you're in a safe, quiet place where you can fully relax and focus. Never listen to this session while driving or operating any machinery. And now just make yourself comfortable and move on to the session. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to begin releasing any tension you may be holding on to. Focus on the sensation of your breath, the gentle rise and fall of your chest, and notice how each breath brings a sense of calm and relaxation into your body. With each exhale, feel your body becoming heavier, more relaxed, more at ease. Now, direct your attention to your feet. Notice how they feel against the surface they're resting upon. Allow any tension in your feet to simply melt away, and imagine that relaxation as a warm, soothing wave spreading slowly upwards from your toes to your ankles, from your ankles to your calves. Feel that wave of relaxation moving further up your body, through your knees and thighs, allowing your legs to become completely relaxed. Notice how the muscles in your legs soften and loosen as the relaxation continues to spread. And now bring your focus to your abdomen and chest. With each breath, feel your abdomen and chest becoming more relaxed, more peaceful. Allow that relaxation to spread to your shoulders, your arms, your hands, and your fingers. And finally, let that wave of calm flow through your neck, your jaw, and your face, until your entire body is deeply relaxed. And as you continue to relax, imagine a staircase in front of you. This staircase has 10 steps, and each step you take will guide you deeper into a state of profound relaxation. And when you're ready, see yourself standing at the top of this staircase, feeling completely safe, completely secure. And now take the first step down, and as you do, notice how your body relaxes even more, doubling the calmness you already feel. With the second step, you descend deeper, feeling heavier, as if all the weight of the world is lifting off your shoulders. And now with the third step, your mind begins to quieten. Any thoughts that arise simply drifting away like clouds in a gentle breeze. As you step down to the fourth step, you find yourself sinking further into comfort, your entire being becoming enveloped in a warm, peaceful sensation. With each step down, 5, 6, 7, you continue to descend deeper, your relaxation increasing exponentially. Feel how each step takes you closer to a place of total tranquility, a space where your mind can open freely, effortlessly. And finally, take the 8th, 9th, and 10th steps, arriving at the bottom where you're deeply relaxed, calm, and ready to fully engage with the empowering suggestions. And now that you're deeply relaxed, your mind open and receptive, let's focus on developing your critical thinking skills. Those essential tools that allow you to navigate through life's challenges with clarity and discernment. Imagine yourself standing in front of a vast library. This is a special library, one that contains all the knowledge, wisdom, and insights you've gathered throughout your life. The shelves are filled with books, each representing different experiences, lessons, and thoughts. Some books are well read, while others are waiting to be explored. This library is your mind, a place of incredible potential and power. And as you walk through this library, you notice a comfortable chair in the center of the room. Sit down in this chair, feeling completely at ease, knowing that you're in a space of learning and growth. In this chair, you're able to access the deepest parts of your mind, the places where true understanding and insight reside. In front of you, there's a table with a single book. This book represents your critical thinking abilities, and as you open it, you see that the pages are blank, ready to be filled with new insights and strategies. You're about to write in this book, adding valuable techniques that will enhance your ability to think clearly and make wise decisions. Begin by considering a situation in your life where you'd like to apply critical thinking. It could be a challenge you're facing, a decision you need to make, or a problem you want to solve. See this situation clearly in your mind, and as you do, imagine yourself stepping back from it, as if you're observing it from a distance. This distance allows you to see the situation more objectively, without being overwhelmed by emotions or preconceived notions. And now with this distance, start to break the situation down to smaller parts. Analyze each part carefully, asking yourself questions like, What is the true nature of this problem? What assumptions am I making? What evidence do I have to support my thoughts? And, most importantly, what other perspectives could I consider? And as you ask these questions, feel your mind becoming sharper, more focused. Each answer you discover is like writing a new chapter in your book of critical thinking. You're developing a methodical approach, learning to question assumptions, evaluate evidence, and consider alternatives. This process empowers you to make decisions that are not only rational, but also deeply informed. Imagine yourself applying these skills in your daily life. See how your mind automatically begins to analyze situations with greater clarity, how you approach problems with a sense of calm confidence, knowing that you have the tools to think things through thoroughly. Feel how good it is to have this ability, to know that you can trust your mind to lead you to the right conclusions, to help you see beyond the surface and understand the deeper truths. You're now a critical thinker, someone who approaches life with intelligence, insight, and clarity. And as you continue to practice these skills, notice how they become a natural part of your thinking process, automatically guiding you to make better decisions, solve problems more effectively, and understand situations with greater depth. You're now ready to close the book, knowing that you've written valuable new strategies into its pages. Take a moment to feel proud of this growth, knowing that you're becoming more capable, more insightful with each passing day. And now it's time to begin your journey back to full awareness, bringing with you all the positive insights and skills you've gained during this session. Slowly start becoming aware of your body, noticing the gentle rise and fall of your breath, feeling the surface beneath you supporting your weight. In a moment I'll count from 1 to 5, and with each number you'll gradually return to full consciousness, feeling refreshed, energized, and completely awake. 1. Slowly beginning to come back, feeling a gentle energy flowing through your body. 2. Becoming more aware of your surroundings, noticing the sounds around you, feeling more alert with each breath. 3. Your mind becoming clearer, your thoughts sharper, as you bring all the positive changes with you into your waking life. 4. Feeling even more awake, your body re-energized, your mind refreshed and ready for anything. And 5. Fully awake now, eyes open, feeling wonderful in every way, and ready to continue with your day with a sense of clarity and purpose. Take a deep breath in, stretch if you'd like, and notice how good you feel, calm, confident, and completely awake. And as you move forward from this session, your mind will naturally and effortlessly apply the critical thinking skills you've strengthened today. Whenever you encounter a challenge, your mind will automatically guide you to think clearly, analyze effectively, and make wise decisions. Each day, these abilities will grow stronger, becoming an integral part of who you are. And now, as we come to the end of this session, take a moment to appreciate the growth you've experienced today. And until next time, goodbye and good mental health.